Yeah, hi. In today's video, we are going to be doing a $100 payment proof from a company called Freecash. And this is, in my view, this is probably one of the best apps that you can use actually for free to earn cash online. So if you're just starting out online and you just want to earn some extra money, then Freecash is a great way to start out. And before we go and check out the actual payment proof, let's go and check out Freecash itself and just show you exactly how you can actually start earning cash from today. Okay, so as you see, we've come into the Freecash website. Really easy to go and join. You can have and you can actually use Freecash on the desktop or on the mobile. We're going to go through the mobile in just a short while and do a $100 payout live to my PayPal account. Now, as you can see here, this is one of the best ways to go and earn extra cash online. Now, don't get me wrong, Freecash and all these sort of apps are not going to give you a full-time income. But by doing 2, 3, maybe 5 of these apps, you could easily earn sort of $200 to $300 extra every single month. And like I say, I'm going to prove that to you purely and simply because I'm going to do a $100 payment proof from Freecash very shortly. There's just a few things you can actually do to actually earn points, which will then be you be able to withdraw cash straight to your PayPal account. Now there are loads of different ways that you can obviously earn here. You've got certain sign-ups that you can do. You can sign up for different apps and that sort of thing and earn points. You can play games very easily, and you can actually download apps. You can also deposit into certain apps and that and get paid to do that. You can start free trials. You've got quizzes. You've got casinos. You can even there is a crypto one here if you're into your crypto. Like I say, these are very easy. If we click on free trial, as you can see here, you're going to get $2.38 just for doing a Prime and Paramount Plus free trial. So if you haven't already got that, you can do the free trial and get $2.38 just for doing that. Now, probably the best way and quickest way to actually earn money is by playing games. And as you can see, this one, you're going to earn $198 if you actually complete all the tasks that they want in the game Raid Shadow. Now, if you're into your games, then obviously this is a great platform for you. And as I say, this is not just the only one. Loads of different ones here. $20 here, 36 here, 74 here, 36 here, and there's 88 down here. And there's a few small ones as well, which you'll probably just get literally if you just play the game for a short while. You get $4.61 here. But all of these mount up, and obviously then you can obviously build up your points, which means then you can actually withdraw directly to your PayPal account. So these are probably this is probably one of the best apps I've come across, and probably one of the highest paying apps I've come across since I've been obviously reviewing these apps and that on my YouTube channel. Now there are other ways that you can actually go and earn as well through different rewards and the leaderboard and all that sort of thing. And I'll put a video above here which actually gives you, I think it's 10 or 12 different ways you can actually go and earn points with Freecash. So and all you've got to do is just come in here daily, do a few bits and pieces, and before you know it, you should be able to get to the 5,000 points target, which would be $5 that you can actually withdraw directly from your PayPal to your PayPal account. And we're going to jump over to the actual app now and show you it inside the app, how quick and easy it is to do just that. Okay, so as you can see here, we've come across to my app, and at the top here, we have got 106,000 coins. Okay, which means that equates to just over $106. We're going to tap on this very shortly and just take this out to our PayPal account and show you exactly how easy it is to literally withdraw this money directly to your PayPal account. Now, before we do that, we're just going to go and check quickly whether there are any affiliate commissions, because this is a great way also that you can actually earn your commissions is by referring other people, because you can earn up to 30% commission from your friends. And again, I've done a video about this, and I'll put this on the end of this video, all about earning more with your how you can earn up to 30% commissions, and I'll go into more detail about that on that video, so make sure you check that one out as well. But what we need to do now is click on the M here, and then we click on the affiliates, and this will open up, and this will say I have $3.35 I can claim. So literally click on claim, and boom, that's gone up now, and I've now got 109,000 coins there that I can actually withdraw directly to PayPal. And as you can see down the bottom here, this actually is taking me over $2,000 in earnings, okay, which is absolutely phenomenal for a small app like this. So you can earn big money with Freecash, and it is a worldwide app as well in most countries. Some of the offers might not be available so much in certain countries, but you can certainly be able to earn free and obviously download into PayPal, again, if you have that in your country. To withdraw it, you just need to tap on the money here on the actual points, and then this opens up and it says here you can cash out. We've got PayPal, Bitcoin. You can actually stake it as well, and you get a 15% bonus as well. And again, you've got Amazon gift cards, Google Play, Visa, Netflix, and loads of different things here. And again, these will vary depending on countries that you are from. But obviously, I'm in the UK, and we can obviously get a good amount of supply there. And now we want to obviously do PayPal, like I say. So let's click on PayPal. And as you can see, you've got different denominations here. So you've got $5, $10, all the way up to $200. Okay. So we can obviously get and tap on the $100 and withdraw that. Okay. So if we click on $100, it's come up at the bottom here, coin price $100,000. Now, as you can see here, there's a fee here of $5,000. Now, when you withdraw to PayPal, it is a percentage fee. So the more you actually withdraw, the more you will get charged. So 5%. So I'll actually end up with $95 in my account. But I am withdrawing 100, but $5 is a fee. So let's just click on the withdraw button here. It says because it's obviously a big amount, they are leaving it in review for a moderator to approve shortly. So it has to be agreed by a moderator, and it says you should be approved within 1 hour. But I know that most of the time this is actually done fairly quickly. So if we just down cross that there, and as you can see at the top here, my balance now is 9,000 points. Now I could go and do another $5 and click on 5 and withdraw another 5 if I wanted to. But I generally wait certainly a few days. And as you can see here, withdrawal approved. So your PayPal and cash has been approved. So if we go across to my actual account, so go to my profile and we come down to withdrawals. Okay, and as you can see here, PayPal 100,000. As you can see here, and it's less than a minute ago. And just to prove that I haven't been waiting a long time for this 100,000, like 3 months or something like that. The last one I had was 30,000, so that's $30, and that was actually 18 days ago. So it's taken me 18 days to get another $100 into my account. So I've actually earned $130 in 18 days. With this app. And if you actually go back to another $30, that's about a month ago. So in a month, I've actually earned $160 with Freecash. How cool is that? But we want to claim this out. So we click back on the 100. It says here, claim cash out. So you just click on that. This takes you across, and as you can see here, it says redeem Freecash PayPal $95. And it says here, all you need to do is obviously redeem it now. This is where you would then put in your PayPal address. Obviously, I'm not going to record this for obvious reasons. Check my email, see how quickly this has gone through. So let me go and withdraw this to my PayPal. Okay, so that's done. And as you can see here, it says we are sending your money. It says PayPal initiated this on the 2nd of July, which it is today. And that's it. That's all you've got to do. So with a few seconds, that should be in my PayPal. That's an email that's gone off. So let's just open that email up. As you can see here, it says here we've got an email here, and it says your $95 transfer is on its way to your PayPal and should be there shortly. So you can track the status here. There's another email. This is how quickly it is. There we go. This email is from my PayPal, and this has gone into my PayPal. That is how quick and easy that is to do, guys. As you can see, that literally took less than a minute to transfer that across, and now that I can then withdraw that to my bank from my PayPal account. So as you can see, guys, Freecash is one of the best sites out there for earning a few extra bucks actually per month. Now, obviously, you can build this up. You can obviously go in there on a daily basis, play games, do everything like that. Like I say, check out the playlist at the end of this video where you can find out all the ways that you can actually earn from Keep Freecash. And of course, don't forget to check out the video about how you can earn up to 30% commissions just by referring other people as well, because this will actually boost your earnings dramatically. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell and you will get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.